Hello, in this video we're going to go over how to make it so your NPC will look at your player in your game. The first thing you want to do is head over to your NPC's animation blueprint. Once you're here, head over to the event graph of your NPC's animation blueprint, and if it's empty, just drag off try get pawn owner and make sure it is valid. Once we've done this, drag off is valid and look for a sequence. We then just want to create a reference to our player character. To do that, we can right click and look for get player character, and we just want to make sure that this is valid, so drag off here and look for is valid, connect from then into here, and if it is valid, we want to drag off our player character and look for get actor location, and then we want to drag off this return value and look for add, and we want this one, add operators. Right click on this and promote this to a variable and just call this the lookout location. Now I want my NPC to be looking at my player character's head. Depending on how big your player character is, you may need to play around with this variable. So I'm just going to add 50. I found that works pretty well for the default Unreal Engine mannequin. Then connect from isValid into here. Then we just want to go over to the animation graph. And before we have the final output pose, you just want to right click and look for look at and connect from whatever animation you have into here, and then from here into the output pose, and you just want to select the lookout node, and you want to go over to bone to modifier, and you want to select your character's head bone. Note this may be named differently if you're not using the Unreal Engine mannequin, but you want to find your character's head bone, and then we just want to scroll down and we want to go over to the lookout location and click expose as pin, and then drag in the lookout location, get it, and then connect this into here, and then go compile. And now if I were to minimize this, I've already dragged my NPC into my level. If I play my game, my NPC is going to look at me. There is one issue though. If I go behind the enemy, its head will kind of break. So to prevent this, open up your character's animation blueprint, and we just want to select the lookout node, and we just want to go over to lookout clamp, and you may need to play around with this value, but I found a value of 50 works pretty well. Then if you just compile this and save it, that will prevent that issue. So now if I play my game again, and I go over to my NPC, and I go behind them, their neck does not break. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you're brand new to Unreal Engine, make sure to check out my free Unreal Engine beginner course. You can get a link to that in the description of the video.